What's up guys, welcome to our new series, and today just want to let you know this is a different series. And what you're seeing here, this box, this is called Sembo Block. So Sembo Block is like a uh, Lego figures from China that you build and stack them to form a new character. But this Sembo Block is totally different. This is like a Sembo figurines, so it's somehow similar like to a Gundam. So yeah, as we can see here, this is what we called Raven model. So let's go ahead and start building this one. Let's go. Alright, so on this box, just want to let you know, we are not totally familiar with its series. It just says here that it's a Wandering Spirit War. So I'm not totally sure on what series this is. So let's try to unbox it and see how we would be able to build this one. So we got our handy dandy pocket knife, and let's unbox this. Ta-da! Alright, so this is the box. This is its contents. We got the stand. This is for the weapons. I'm not sure for what is that. This one also. So we got QR code, something like that, and it's a picture here in hollow. Alright, and it's instruction manual. So yeah, as we can see, this is the image. Then this is the instruction on how to build this. So it's all in Chinese, so it would be difficult for us to read it, but let's try and let's do our best to build this figure. Okay, so let's go, let's start. Alright, so here it is, our Raven. So this is our Sembo Block Raven, as you can see. So he's almost similar to a 1:144 Gundam with its stand on its packaging. So it's all good. Everything is good when it comes to this model kit. So yeah, it's awesome. It's like Japanese style and fully articulate when it comes to joints. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you would be updated to our latest episode. So in the next coming videos, I think we would get another set of this kind of model kit. Yeah, so it's awesome to see, and it's great to customize this kind of model kit to a much better version. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye for now, and see you guys next time. Peace.